Hello everyone.
Today, we're exploring the amazing health benefits of meat and fruits. Let's get started. Visuals. Table with various meats and fruits. Benefits of meat and fruits. Keycap 1 Benefits of meat, 0:15 to 1:15. Voiceover, text, protein source. Meat helps build muscles and repair body cells. Iron. Essential for making hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. Vitamin B12. Strengthens the nervous system and supports healthy blood. Energy boost. Meat provides long-lasting energy. Muscle health. Supports recovery after exercise and strengthens muscles. Visuals. Images of raw and cooked meat. Icons for protein, iron, vitamin B12. Clips of people exercising or showing strong muscles. Keycap 2 Benefits of fruits, 1:15 to 2:15. Voiceover, text, vitamins and minerals. Fruits provide vitamin C, A, K, potassium, and magnesium. Rich in fiber. Helps digestion and prevents constipation. Antioxidants, boost immunity and reduce aging effects. Low calories and healthy. Helps maintain weight. Hydration. Keeps the body and skin fresh. Visuals. Colorful fruits. Apples, bananas, papaya, strawberries, oranges. Animation showing digestion. People enjoying fruits, looking happy and healthy. Conclusion. 2:15 to 2:45. Voiceover, text. In short, meat helps increase energy and build muscles, while fruits boost immunity, aid digestion, and keep the body refreshed. For a healthy life, include both meat and fruits in your diet. Visuals. Table with meat and fruits together. Happy family enjoying a meal. End title. Stay healthy, stay happy.